Hi guys, how are we doing? Hope we are all good. So guys, today I bring the rain style for you today. So you can see how I'm twisted it. I don't want to twist everything. I just want to twist half of it. So then I fold it like this. Guys, if you have not followed my page, please try to do so. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, please try to do so. Just continue supporting me, guys. I still remain your guy, QMTTV. Guys, please continue supporting. May you never lack. May your pocket never dry. Guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate it all. So these are I did. So then just place it on my head like this. Then the other hand, I'm going to bring it to the front. Yeah, guy, all the head wrap I'm doing, guy, try to make the practice of it. Yes, it's not hard at all. You can get it. It's not hard. You know, guys, now it's not easy to be wrapping a wrap on someone's by yourself, because we also have many people that's doing this thing. Oh yes. So it's not easy at all. It's not easy. And the only way you can be appreciating us is by sharing our video. Please guys, always share so that other people can see it, other people can benefit from it. There are some people out there that want to learn how to do this thing by themselves, but they didn't see videos that will encourage them. So when you share, I know it will reach those people that need it. Yes, it will reach them. So guys, please always help me share my video. So guys, you see how I'm picking that place. See how I'm picking it. That's how we're picking it. So you don't need to watch yourself. There's someone that DM me that said there's one of my head wrap that I did, and since when she watched the video, she has been trying to make that head wrap, but she couldn't make it. She couldn't get this dye. I said, when you try something one day, not that day you're going to get it. You at least you try it twice or thrice. Even with that we are wrapping head wrap on our head, it's not easy now. Before we could be able to do it like this, do you know how many times I've do what? Try it before getting it. So guys, just try it and you will surely get it. So guys, don't forget to share. That's the only way you can support me, guys. That's the only way you can support me, by sharing my video and also follow my page. You follow for more videos and also subscribe to my channel. You turn on your notification bell so that anytime I'm dropping new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Guys, you see that bag? I'm going to do what? I've pinned that bag. I try to adjust it so that it will reach down, and I do that. So I pin it with pin. It should now remain this front now. You know, some people that like something to be up like this, they can do what? They can leave it like this. They can leave this front like this. They'll just spin it and leave it. See the way I leave it like this? They will leave it now. You see that? I'm a buster. All right, guys. So I'm not saying should I leave like this? No, I say now the what? Bring it to the other side, and we get this form. Okay, guys. How did you see this style? Do you love it? Do you love it? just let me know at the comment section. How did you see the style? How did you see the style? Let me know at the comment section. So guys, please I'm begging, help me share my video, please try to write something at the comment section so that you can know whether you love the style or not, whether you love it or not. So try to write something down at the comment section. Guys, see now, let's see the back. Look at the front self. So guys, I'm almost done. All right, don't forget to share guys. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you. So see you in my next video, and also write something about this Headwrap on the comment section. Bye.